magnificent guest. And today I want to show you how you can create your custom guard by extending some other guard. So let's jump into the code. Our use case is pretty simple. We will have OSGuard as a stub. It will always return promise with a value false. And what we want to do is when the user tries to navigate to our form component, we will automatically redirect it to our not found page. So first what we do, we generate our guard. So generate guard, we select guard, and here we will say that it is custom guard. And we say that it can activate. In our custom guard, we can use constructor, and because OSGuard is a service, we can import it. We will type OSGuard, and here OSGuard. And also we will need router to make the navigation. After this, in canActivate, we will type this OSGuard, and we will use this canActivate, and we need to pass root and state to it. Also, because we know that it's stub and it will always return a promise, we can use then, but we need to fix some types. So here, because we know that it will be a promise, we delete all other types. And now we will use data from this OSGuard, and we need to return it. And the last thing, we will say that if the data is false, we will say that this router navigate to our not found page. And after this, we need to navigate to our routing system and change this OSGuard to our custom guard. And let's check. So when we try to go to our form, it will automatically redirect to our not found page. And that's it. And try to take care of yourself. Bye.